Wondering how to install apps on your Toshiba Fire TV? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to open the Toshiba App Store and download apps or games. To download more apps, first of all, from the home screen, you'll need to go to this Add App icon, then go down, and here you'll find the App Store. Just press OK to open it, and make sure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Now you'll have some tabs for your app library, and here you'll find a few tabs. If you go to App Library, then you can further filter it by the apps that's installed on your TV or the ones that's connected to your Amazon account, but not on the TV. So this way you can install your previous apps that you used. To find all the games available on your TV, just go to the Games tab, choose a game that you want to play, and just click on Download or Get. When it's done downloading, you can start playing the game. And if you have a specific app in mind, you can go to the Search tab and press Select to use the keyboard or voice search using Alexa. After installing these apps, to add them to your home screen, just go to the Add Apps icon once again, find your newly installed app, press the menu button, and select Move to Front. Now on top, you can see the app is now added to your home screen app row. So now it's just one click away. And that's all there is to it. Hope you found this useful. Enjoy!